Ah, here. Oh no,
Right there?
it's a light mode. $69. Napatay tayo pag wala nito, guys.
Day.
What's that?
Do you know the only shop opens at the Big Petting Day?
What's that?
IKEA.
IKEA?
Because they sell pets.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back. So ngayon ay may pupuntahan lang kami. Dahil yung aking ito nga aking GoPro na media mode nasira yung lock. Kaya hindi ko may kabit yung aking mode, tapos mayroong mic. So titingin ako dito sa Henry's, yung mga nagtitinda ng mga GoPro, if pwede pa nilang ma-fix, kasi sayang, this is $100. Dito kasi sinasaksak yung mic, yung transmitter, tapos yung mode nandito sa ano. Kaya sayang siya, yung lock, pinaka-lock niya ang natanggal. So anyway, tignan mo muna kung may cash ako. Kahapon
I want to
parang
I don't want to recommend.
gusto ko mag-over yung bang tawag doon, yung sideline. Try mo mag-over. Pwede kaya ito pang over tong Highlander? Kali? Pwede ito pang over tong Highlander?
Wait.
This car?
Hours?
Yeah.
For what?
Over.
You can over for it?
Yeah.
I don't want to over.
You don't want to over?
No.
Why not?
God, I want to keep this car.
You want to keep this car?
Yeah.
You're following too close, bro. You want to keep this car?
Yeah.
Why?
Because there's a lot of seats for the whole family.
Kali, what do you remember nung baby ka pa?
I was in Mama's tummy.
You were in mama's tummy?
Yeah, when I was born.
No, what else? Like when you were 1 year old, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But I'm already 5.
Yeah, what do you remember?
Oh no.
You can't remember anything?
No, because I'm already 5.
You should remember when you were 2, right?
Yeah.
2 years old, 3 years old. Nothing?
I couldn't like talk yet. I only said like different ways to talk.
Okay. What do you like me most as a dad? What do you like me? What kind of, do you like my attitude? What do you like me more as your papa? care of you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I am Mama.
Did I take care of you?
Yeah.
How?
When Mama was pregnant at the hospital, you just took it out when you were there.
I am what?
You were waiting for me to come out.
I am waiting for you to come out.
Yeah,
How did you know?
cause I remember when I was your baby.
Do you remember that?
Yeah, cause Mama showed me the video.
Show you the picture.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was waiting at you to come out.
You look like the doctor.
Do I look like a doctor at the time?
And with the hat.
Yeah?
on
Do I look like a doctor?
it. Yeah.
Nice. Do you miss me when I am not around?
Video protected.
Like if I am on the highway, do you miss me?
Yeah.
Really? Why?
They're like here.
Why?
They're like
Huh?
here.
No, I mean, why do you miss me when I'm away?
Because I like making like fun.
You like making fun?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I like to play fun.
Oh, like
Yeah.
we're playing like that?
Yeah.
So are you
And
coming?
watch me play.
Yeah. Are you coming with me?
Yeah.
Yes? Yes?
Yeah.
When?
When I'm like
When you're like 7 or 6?
7.
7? Oh, 2 years more?
2 years?
Yeah.
And then after I'm 6.
Oh no, you're 6 next month, right?
Yeah.
So 1 year more.
Wow. When I'm grade 1, I'm gonna be grade 2.
Of course, after grade 1, you're grade 2.
And then we'll be grade 3.
Yeah. So you're coming with me, okay?
Yeah.
When you're 7? Promise?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go to...
After grade 8, after grade 8, after grade 7, I'm gonna be grade 8.
Of course.
That was so
Yes, of course.
hard.
After 7, you're grade 8. After grade 8, you're in grade 9 until you finish your grade 12, right?
But from grade 8, I'm gonna study.
Of course, you're gonna study. You're gonna study. How could you learn without studying, bro? Say again?
Party City, like we already passed it.
David's Brado.
David.
It should be here. Applex Diamond. Oh, may mga diamond pala dito.
Diamond.
I'm gonna bring your mom there. I'm gonna buy a diamond for your mom.
A necklace or a watch?
A necklace.
It's not, because they're like shiny because it's gonna like cost like $2 million.
Is it?
Yeah, because like from Ronaldo's like spends like on like things like 2 million. Yeah.
That's weird.
I think Ronaldo have like so much money, like yeah, Ronaldo. I think Ronaldo.
Who's Ronaldo?
Ronaldo, like the soccer player.
Do you know him?
Yeah.
Is that your friend?
Now.
Then how come you know everything about Ronaldo? Because what?
It's on YouTube.
Oh, you see on YouTube? Come on, man. You're
And
kidding me?
Ronaldo have $6,000.
Okay.
I leave my jacket there.
Yeah, just leave your jacket. Dito kami sa Hendry's. Kasi ito ang problema ko, itong baka may sale sila dito.
Whoa.
Da-da-da-da.
What is this?
It's for camera.
How much though? Oh, fuck. This costs $39.99.
Yeah, come here. Tut-tut-tut.
Oh, this looks so cool.
Mm.
I like this drone.
Yan yung lalagay dito sa ano mo eh. Tapos hawakan mo dito.
Then you can like
Stabilizer.
set
So wala silang available guys na ano na GoPro mode. So kailangan ko tumingin muna sa Best Buy, baka meron sila
Yeah,
available.
it's
Sayang.
there.
Wag na sweater. Yeah, your hat.
Why do it says this is a home? This is so weird. It's already a home.
Let's go. So guys, dito kami sa Best Buy. Parang meron pang isang natitirang GoPro mode dito eh. Sana nandyan pa.
Nandyan pa?
Sana.
Don't buy GoPro.
GoPro mode. GoPro mode. Here, come here. GoPro.
Oh, you have to buy me for the airplane.
Oh, you didn't need a one.
But I need for the airplane.
Really?
Yeah?
GoPro mode. Oh, it's nice. Rudy. I don't know, where is it?
I saw beetles under the ear.
Hi,
Yeah, looking for anything?
I need this one. Do you have one?
Just a mount for a GoPro?
Yeah, this medium mode.
Everything I have is here.
Okay.
I'm not sure exactly which one you have there.
Where's the medium mode? Here. I see online you have one left in stock. One left in stock. Ah, here. Oh no,
Right there?
it's a light mode. $69. Napatay tayo pag wala nito, guys. Media mode.
Oh, right there.
I think this one, yeah?
Or Video 110? Yeah, that is.
Yeah. No discount for this one? No sale?
Nothing right now yet.
Oh.
If it gets cheaper within 30 days, you can always just price match.
Say again?
30 days.
30 days?
Keep on our website. I'll keep it on our website. And bring us the receipt where you find your difference.
Oh, see. See, guys. This one is 100. What's that?
$100.
This $109, guys.
Oh.
This 4,000 pesos. It's
Don't buy
4,000.
that. So expensive.
Huh? But I need it
Okay.
because I can't put my mic there. See, it's damaged. See, damaged.
Oh yeah. It's loose.
So I need this one. $100. Para makakonect yung aking yung aking mic, directional mic, port, USB port, weather resistant. Okay, let's go. This mic, got a damaged one.
Oh,
It's too expensive. No discount for this one?
I can take a look to see what the sale price might be.
Maybe you can give me a discount.
No, unfortunately, it looks
No?
like it's going to be at that 109.
109?
123.90.
So guys,
Still have it.
this one is too expensive. Nag-iisa na lang. $123, guys. 123. So i-unbox natin ngayon. Ngayon din. Unbox natin. Magastos, no? Kasi maraming nagre-reklamo. I don't know. Itong pinapakinggan nyo kung maganda yung audio niya. Oh. Where's the key?
So that's from the Best Buy.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna unbox this one. Asan na yun, babe?
Right there.
So ito yung una kong binili. Sayang eh. Ito lang kailangan ko, oh. Itong part na to ang kailangan ko, but too expensive. Hindi, magagamit mo rin kasi ito pag magagamit siya pag may mga interview ka or malalayo. Now, alam ko na paano gamitin kasi ako talagang tinatanggal ko lang siya agad eh. Kaya sayang. Nag-iisa na lang, wala na sa St. James sa Dun sa
So other Best Buy.
dun sa St. James, malapit
Yeah.
sa Costco. So nag-iisa na lang siya dito sa Best Buy Regent.
Mm,
Ay, ay, ay.
you just ripped it.
I just ripped it. Tagal eh.
It's like so strong.
Yeah.
I think because it's made out of glue.
Hmm?
Yeah, I know.
I think meron akong extra dito sa ano be.
Why did you buy it?
Hindi ko alam kung meron siyang, kasi binili to ni mama. Yun oh, tigas na ano niya.
Yes, what is it?
Sabi niya, why you buy it?
I'm just gonna say that. Why?
See.
Whoa.
Bro,
That looks different there.
it's the same.
Yeah,
Right?
but look.
Meron siyang,
It looks different there, look.
it's the same.
Yeah, but
Kaso wala siyang spare. Guys, ito yung itsura niya. Wala siyang spare
look.
na ganito. Wala siyang spare nito. Can you see?
Yeah,
Yeah.
looks like the same thing.
Yeah, wala siyang spare nito. Kasi ito yung nasira eh. Natanggal.
What is it? What did break? This?
This one.
That which?
Ito, this one. See?
This broke.
See? Oh. So,
Oh,
papalitan.
those like these like hooks on it. These broke.
Yeah, see? Yung hooks niya dito, oh. Yan na broken be. But still good. Diba? It's the same thing. Nasaan yung ano to? Sayang yung 120
It looks
4,000 pesos. No? But anyway, sa vlog naman eh. So meron akong dalawang GoPro mod.
But it looks the same, but it looks like different there from the looks different.
So again,
It looks like the same thing. Like which one is the broken one?
this is the broken one.
Yeah, but
Ito yung lock lang niya natanggal dito. Yeah, kailangan ko mag-spend ng dollars kasi para sa vlog. Para maganda na yung audio niyo. Expensive. Siya expensive. Wala siyang spare.
I don't like.
Meron lang siyang mga ano.
But I hate this part now.
Which one?
We're going right home like very long. It's gonna take like 7 minutes.
You don't like to go home?
Huh?
You don't like to go home?
I want, but it's gonna take so long.
No. It's only 10 minutes.
That's so long.
No.
That's so long. So long.
So wala siyang spare talaga na binibinta. So anyway, yeah. I hope na
I see
pero
a
pag may
helicopter.
makita akong spare nito, pwede man siyang palitan, no?
Pa,
Mm.
look at that. Pa, look. Helicopter.
Which one?
Yes, see.
Oh yeah. Sayang. So sana mag-work.
I see it.
Mag-work man talaga siya kasi brand new eh. Kakabitan ng mic dito. Mic and then charger ng Volta. Tapos kakabit siya dito sa ilalim. Okay. I hope everything is well para mas maganda na yung audio. Kasi mahirap siya yung marami kayong naririnig na minsan hihina yung boses, minsan lalakas. Tapos ang dami nagrereklamo. Kahit ako na nag-i-edit, talagang aray din ako. Sabi ko, pangit ng audio ko. But ang next, Volta naman ang next. Nakahulog naman siya. Gastos, man. So naghanap kami dun sa ano, dun sa Henry's. Wala sila, walang naka-sale.
Yeah, because it's sold out.
Sold out. Yeah.
So,
So, tiningnan ko siya sa online ng GoPro. It's the same price, $109.99. Ganun talaga siya kamahal. So, wala akong choice kundi gusto mo lang coffee? Gusto mo lang ano? Iced coffee?
No.
What?
Let's go to Tim Hortons.
Yeah.
Or just one.
Gusto mo pumasok sa Teams?
Yeah.
Asan ang Teams?
I think we go there. Or we just go to Starbucks.
Para kang matanda. Oh, Starbucks.
How about the winners?
Winners?
Over there. Winners.
Anong gagawin mo sa Winners?
Prime.
Ha?
Prime.
Ha?
Prime.
Prime? No, wag na mag-prime. Ayoko magpa-prime ka kasi nagiging hyper ka eh.
I'm a Prime fan.
Yeah, I know. I know you're a prime. You're prime. Where's Thames Bay?
I think.
Saan ang Thames? So guys, nakabit ko na yung ano, yung GoPro Media Mode. But ito na naman problema. Either dito sa dalawa ang may sira kasi yung isa nahulog sa ano. I don't know kung alin dito ang ayos. Try this one. So sana maging okay na yung audio ko. Okay. No, she's not here. Ay.
Ako'y umihipa.
It took so long, Ma.
Umihipa ako, umiihi na. Kausap ko pa si Marisa sa washroom.
Alin dito ang susot mo?
Naman, ba't ka ganyan?
Hindi ako nandun si ate.
Yeah.
Alin kita susot mo?
Ma.
Ako naka-Adidas na shirt, ayaw naman ni Papa.
Ito na lamang. Suot ang buraga.
Susot yun na. Essential. Anong large to ate?
Ma. I scratched my eye.
Oh, this is small?
Pero malaki.
Nice, Ma.
Oh, really?
Nice, Ma.
Oh, ito na lang sa suot mo.
Ha?
Suot mo. Guys, nag-iba ka na ng t-shirt.
Nag-change kami.
Just gonna t-shirt.
Kami ako mag-ano.
Ganda pala to, oh. Bilhin ko lang to ata. Can I buy this one? Or can I arbor this one? Laki eh.
Arbor na.
What lucky?
Means big.
What lucky is it?
Big nga, big.
This car?
Mm.
Why are you shopping?
Do you want the buko pandan now or later? Later. Thank you.
Can you talk? After 20 minutes guys, ito na ang aming order. Yeah. The fiesta. Oh, dami pala niya, no? Sakto lang, no?
Is there anything else I can get you?
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Just the gulay. Oh, buko pandan, sorry.
Wow, laki, no?
I want fish.
Mami,
Nakugas ba yung kamay?
yeah. Nag-wash.
Wow. Yan na lang para isahan na lahat ng kain.
Yeah.
Ilang isda?
One.
Ha?
One.
Isa lang?
Tilapia.
Tilapia, tapos siyang ano to? Wow. Sige, wow. Ciao, ciao.
Thank you, Lord.
Guys, ang dami pang natira. Hindi nga na-touch yung inihaw. Ano tawag lang? Inasal. Pati yung yun. Dami pang kanin. Mahinang kumain mga to.
Hindi natin kaya.
Yeah, yung fiesta. Yung isa, ibang binabanatan eh. Di kaya. Pero at least ay ano lang. Pwede naman siya i-take out ba?
Ito, isang ganito.
Yeah, kunin natin. Sabihin ko. Sabihin ko nga. Hindi nga totoo, sabihin ko.
Joke lang.
Hindi nga, sabihin ko.
Napahiya ako kasama. Are you gonna bring that?
No.
Di ka mag-vlog.
Yeah, vlog.
Yabo. Dadali
Why?
na niya ng drone yan. Yun lang dali.
Di yung drone lang, pero hindi ako magbablog.
Ano, Insta360, madali lang.
Iiwan ako.
Kaganda.
Hindi ako magbablog. Ano no? Ito yung binili ko bago. Ano kasi dito, nabasag to eh. So hindi siya makakabit ng mic.
Ba't di mo pinadala sa akin yun? Sana nakapag-vlog ako.
Tumigil ka, sinabihan kita magdala ka, ayaw mo eh.
Look! Mukha mo. Kailan mo?
Asan na yung lalaki?
Butit meron. Saan mo?
Nag-iisa na lang, wala nang iba.
Oh my, muntik na panuman.
Yeah.
Yung sabi mo, asa ka. Yung sabi mo.
Wala akong sinabi ah.
Di ba sabi niya, asa daw ako?
Wala ah.
Nahiyo makita.
Pero sinerge mo muna kung meron.
Yeah. Ang regent na lang nag-iisa. Wala na sa Pembina. Nag-iisa na lang siya. Tapos yung isang Indiano, meron siyang ganito, binibinta niya, mahal. Oh,
Magkano lang bili mo dyan?
100. And ito lang nabasag niya, itong lock niya. Kung pwede dadalhin to.
Thank you.
Dadalhin mo to? Diyan, pag nilalagay dyan. Anong tawag?
Flip over.
No, Sharon. Yan ang Sharon?
Dito ang pansit.
Alam mo bakit Sharon? Alam mo bakit Sharon ata?
Kasi may kanta siyang balutin mo ako.
Balutin mo ako. Yun guys, binabalot na guys. Ang fiesta. Isang ano pa, isang pata.
Ang kalabanan niya sa pagsasara.
Balik mo yun.
Okay. Put the stuff in here. Okay.
Yan. Balot.
Put the stuff in here. Put the stuff in here.
Wala na, 1 minute. 18:25. You don't get it? Oh, low IQ.
Kali, move out of the way.
What's that doing? So how you determine everything there is on the receipt?
I just look at what I give, pay double.
Oh,
If you
okay.
some self chip, I counted everything.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Dito ata.
Dito. Give me the bucket. Coconut.
Sa loob.
Man, get the food.
Get the food, be.
Yan, no, right in front of you, stupid.
Oh.
Lambot-lambot kasi.
Ano yan? So I hope okay na yung aking audio ngayon dahil meron ng aking tawag dito GoPro Mode Media na ginagamit. Dati wala kasi kaya pangit ng audio minsan lalala. Pagod, kumain na kami sa labas. Then grocery. That's it. That's all for today, guys. Salamat. Have a good weekend. Amping Muntanan.